If you're looking for a way to monetize your YouTube channel with 0 subscribers, then this video is for you. A lot of people think, oh, I gotta have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Yes, that is somewhat true, but you can also monetize your YouTube channel another way. If you want to know how, then keep watching. I'm going to give you not only 1, but 3 examples on how to do this and how you can start right now. The number 1 way to make passive income on YouTube before even being monetized is selling an ebook. Yes, an ebook. If you don't know what an ebook is, let me explain. An ebook is pretty much a digital product that pretty much goes directly to your customer's email address once they purchase your ebook or your digital product. So let's say they go to your website, they buy your ebook, and then after purchase, it'll be sent directly to their email address, their inbox. So you don't have to ship anything. My first ebook ever was about working at a medical dispensary. Yes, the green leaf shops, you know what I'm talking about, that Snoop Dogg type of smoke, you know what I'm saying? Oh, by the way, if you're in a state where medical shops are legal, I highly suggest applying at one. 10 out of 10 would recommend. One of the best jobs I ever had. I'll also leave that ebook down below in my description so you can take a look at it and get an idea. So pretty much I made a YouTube video about the whole process of how I got hired, my experience, the interview process, everything step by step. A lot of people kept commenting, asking, the same questions. So what I did was just package all their questions into an ebook so I don't have to keep repeating myself. There was a time where I used to charge $5 for this ebook. It probably used to be free. A lot of things that I sell now used to be free. And then I started thinking like, okay, I can just charge for this. So I charge $5, $10, and now the ebook is $15. You have to know your worth. I just sold this ebook the other day. It really is passive income. Like the video that's promoting it is literally like 3 years old, but I'm still making sales from that ebook till this day. Whether or not I promote that ebook, I'm making a sale. Example number 2, let's say you bake cakes or you like cooking. Start a YouTube channel around that. Show yourself behind the scenes, baking a cake, cooking your recipes, showing the step-by-steps. Then you'll want to link your ebook in the description of your YouTube channel. Don't forget to mention in your YouTube video, link in the description so people can check out your ebook in the description. You have to have a call to action. Example number 3, let's say you're into fitness. Let's say you've mastered how to lose weight or gain weight. Make a YouTube channel about that. How to lose weight, how to gain weight, how to grow your glutes or your butt, whatever you want to call it. You can create an ebook around that called fitness tips or how to lose weight, how to gain weight, your top tips, what to eat, workouts to do. You can package all that information into an ebook and sell it on YouTube. I feel like YouTube is the best platform you will want to promote your ebook on besides TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. I just feel like YouTube is for the long run. You know what I'm saying? You could post once a week or twice a month, whatever is best for your schedule. I just feel like YouTube is best. As you can see, I made a sale the other day of an ebook that I created 3 years ago thanks to YouTube. I haven't made a YouTube video about that ebook in a while and it's still making me sales. So I would suggest promoting your ebook on YouTube. Now, to make your ebook, you'll want to go to Canva. Canva is my holy grail. I love Canva so much. Canva even has ebook templates that you can even use, but I would suggest creating it from scratch just because you can't really sell their templates. You have to read into that policy. But let me guys tell you, I would just go to canva.com, create an ebook, and then I'll click that. And then once you get to the side, you can click templates just to get an idea, So as you can see, they have templates right here. So let's try to create something like this. Okay, so I said cooking and baking. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm just gonna show you guys a quick example. And sometimes going to templates, it just helps, so. Creating an ebook is just the simplest way to create passive income starting with $0, because you don't have to worry about shipping products, so I will highly suggest making an ebook. And then photos, let's say food, just type in food, right? Okay, this looks so aesthetically pleasing. So let's just do that, right? You see, look, already starting. Let's go back to templates just to get the idea again. Okay, so throw some words on there. And throw some text. I would just name this top 10 recipes, right? So let's just do that, and then we can make it bigger. And you'll just want to say step by step and change the font. You know, keep the fonts in the same family, and then make it smaller. And you can say by Tammy. Done. I don't know who that is. It's just an example. There you go. Center that. Copy everything. Okay, so just an example. I'm just making a horrible ebook. You'll want to name it right here. Best. Here, let's just say best recipes. Okay, I don't know. Just and then to remake this, what you want to do is duplicate, and then unlock. And then you just want to, I don't know, let's lock this. And then you just want to go into, you know, detail about your step-by-step recipes. Go like that. Let's just create another box. So if you're looking for a sign to start your ebook business, selling digital products, this is it, okay? This is it. Name this Taco Steps. You know? Just simple and easy, guys. The simplest way to make the ebook. And then you'll just want to go ahead and start naming fried taco shell. You know? Just an example. Oops, that is honestly in caps. Fried taco shell. Marinate meat. You know what I'm saying? Like, just simple stuff. So this is just an easy way to create an ebook. And then after you create your ebook, you'll just want to, anyone with this link can view, and then you want to download it. But when you download it, you would download it in a PDF standard form. And then you'll click download, and then your ebook will download. This is the easiest way, guys. I'm telling you, step-by-step passive income. Get a YouTube channel, create something about you're passionate about, talk about it, put the ebook in the description of your YouTube channel, and yeah, you can sell it on Gumroad, you can sell it on Shopify. Those are two platforms I recommend. I even heard about a platform called Podia. So like I said, I sell all my digital products on Shopify, but like I said, this is the easiest way to create passive income on YouTube with 0 subscribers. So hope this video was helpful. Do give it a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.